Good morning, everyone. This is Isla from Tao Energy Movement, and I'm going to share a few ways that if you're dealing with lower back pain or if you're going through menopause to balance out the hormones. A very, very simple home care technique that you can do, and all you need is a towel, and I'll show you two other tools that you can use that if you're in the yoga practice or if you want to order one of the wooden pillows that will soon be available online. The first simple one is working with just a hand towel. So I'm going to scoot back. So you take the hand towel and you fold it into thirds and then take the other long side. And depending on how much hypertension you have in your visceral region will depend on how thick this will be. So I'm going to start a little neutral and we build up, and I'll show you how we build up. So we'll fold in the one end, a quarter, fold in again another quarter, fold in again, and what's remaining you can just tuck it in and then take it from the center and go down. This might actually be a little too thick for some of you. So let's show you where you place this. Okay? So placing this right below your navel point for lower back, right below your belly button for lower back pain, and for menopausal or hormone imbalances, right above the navel point. So for the sake of this video, we're going to go right at the navel point. So placing the rolled up towel just at your belly button. Now depending on your body's stature, big or small, your belly button might be at different places. So feel out where your original belly button is, or where the umbilical cord used to be, attaching to where your spine was at, in that general area. The belly button has a lot of nerve endings, have information there, but it's also a middle junction point between your solar plex and your pancreas, stomach and liver, and between your elimination organs and your reproductive organs. So in this position, bringing the big toes together and pointing them towards your head. Your palms facing up, as if you're reading your palms. Looking down, but lifting your heart. And just long and deep breathing, letting your eyes go to the tip of your nose. Just long and deep breathing there for about 3 minutes. Now if you have a lot of hypertension and this is taking your breath away, start with 1 minute. So let's say we've done 3 minutes. Then you release up, come into a child's pose, as I say, and rest for 1 minute. So that's the easy one. And you can make it at different thicknesses depending on what your body can handle. The next level up would be a wooden pillow. I'm going to have these available here in the next couple weeks. Still working on that project. But these will be available and they'll all be hand done. This one I got from working with a company that I was with years and years ago, but great. So with this, since it's a harder material, once again you are going to want it between your ribs and your hips. You don't want this on the bones, so you want to avoid your bones. So you'll place this again over the right in front of the belly button to that soft junction there, that meaty part of your belly. This actually might feel softer. Same principle applies. Bring the heels and knees together, pointing the big toes towards your head. Palms open, heart lifted, eyes down, looking towards the tip of the nose, and long and deep breathing for 3 minutes. And when you're done with your 3 minutes here, coming into child's pose, letting the blood balance out for 1 minute. Now a more advanced, and there's another advancement to even this, but if those yogis out there, if you already have a very flexible and supple stomach area and the visceral fascia is pretty released, you can move up to this. But once again, please be mindful, because these are usually a lot bigger and they have more pointy areas that will go right into your organs in the acupressure points there. So just be super mindful, okay? Same thing applies. Placing this on the ground, and then place your belly button right on there. Again, avoiding any bones, any hard areas, any ribs, any hips. If you've had surgeries here, be mindful. Once again, we're addressing both lower back issues and hormonal issues. If you're having more of one or the other, place these tools in that for lower back issues below your belly button, for hormonal issues above your belly button. So again, same principle applies. Bring your big toes together, point them towards your head, palms together, looking up, our chest hard up, looking towards the tip of your nose, and long and deep breathing for 3 minutes. And then 1 minute rest in child's pose. Please be aware to do this on an empty stomach. If you do it on a full stomach, you could actually damage your digestive tract with that kind of pressure. Your body needs time to rest and create elimination. So the times of day I personally have found a good time to do this is first thing in the morning when I've gotten up, as a daily practice before getting into either meditation or a physical practice, just to loosen up any of that digestive fascia that has been accumulated while resting. And then you go on into your meditation practice, your yoga practice, or something like that. It's a nice way to just prepare the organs to eliminate and also to receive. If there's any further questions, do give them below and I'll be sure to answer. Otherwise, you can give me a call at 206-465-4430. Have a great day.